Hello, lovely students, and welcome. I am so happy you are here with me today. My name is Emma, and I want to help you on your English learning journey. Learning a new language is a very exciting adventure. It can sometimes feel difficult, but with a little practice every day, you will see big improvements. This journey is not about being perfect. It is about making progress and feeling more confident. Today, we will focus on two skills: listening and speaking. You do not need a lot of time. Just a few minutes each day, find a quiet place, take a deep breath, and let's get started. I am here to guide and support you. Let's start with listening. Listening is one of the most important skills for learning English. When you listen to English every day, you train your ears and your brain to understand more and more. Start small. Listen to very short audio clips, like 1 or 2 minutes. This could be a simple podcast, a short news story, organ, even a children's song. Children's songs are great for learning new words and practicing rhythm. Sing along if you can. Listen to the same short audio several times. The first time, just relax and listen. The second time, try to catch a few words or phrases. The third time, see if you can understand the main idea. If you have a transcript, read along while you listen. This will help you connect sounds to words. Try listen and repeat. Pause the audio, then say the sentence out loud. Copy the pronunciation and intonation as much as you can. You can even record yourself and listen back. This is a great way to hear your progress. Use technology to help you. There are many apps and websites for English listening practice. Try language learning apps, podcasts, Oregon YouTube channels made for English learners. Watch short videos with subtitles. This can help you understand different accents and everyday English. Try passive listening too. Play English audio in the background while you cook, clean, or walk. Even if you do not understand everything, your brain is learning. Listen to different voices and accents: American, British, Australian, and more. This will help you understand English in many situations. Sometimes it may feel difficult, but remember, your ear will adapt over time. Be patient with yourself. Make listening part of your daily routine. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Try listening with a friend or in a group. After listening, talk about what you heard. This can help you remember new words and ideas. If you do not have a friend to practice with, talk to yourself. Say what you understood out loud. Track your progress. Write down new words you hear. Make a list of audio clips you listened to this week. Celebrate your improvement. Remember, surround yourself with English sounds. The more you listen, the more you will understand. Little by little, you will improve. You are doing an amazing job. Keep practicing, and soon you will feel more confident when you listen to English. Now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. Now let's move on to speaking. For many learners, speaking is the scariest part. Try shadowing. Play a short clip and speak along with the speaker. Read the transcript if you have it, then copy speed, rhythm, and pronunciation. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making a cup of coffee. I am adding milk. Use short, simple sentences. You do not need long, complicated phrases. Break complex ideas into small lines and connect them later. Repeat new words and phrases often. Use spaced repetition to move words into long-term memory. Record yourself and listen back. You will hear improvement. Make different simple sentences with new words. The more you use a word, the more natural it becomes. Keep it simple, practice daily, and celebrate small wins. Now, let's practice with a short story. Take a deep breath. Here are some more ways to practice speaking English every day. First, try speaking in front of a mirror. This can help you see how your mouth moves and build your confidence. Next, try recording your voice on your phone or computer. Listen to your recording and notice how you sound. Do not worry about mistakes. They help you learn. Practice with a friend or family member. You can take turns asking and answering simple questions like, "What did you do today?" Or, "What is your favorite food?" If you do not have someone to practice with, join an online language exchange or a speaking group. Many apps and websites can connect you with other learners around the world. Use flashcards to practice new words. Say each word out loud and make a simple sentence with it. For example, if the word is sunny, you can say, "It is sunny today." Try speaking about your day. Every evening, tell yourself in English what you did. For example, I went to work. I ate lunch with my friend. I watched a movie. Use technology to help you practice. There are many apps that let you practice pronunciation. Join conversations. Oregon even talk to an AI tutor. Here is an exercise. Look around you and name 5 things you see out loud in English. For example, chair, table, window, book, phone. Practice making questions. For example, where are you from? Or what do you like to do on weekends? Then answer your own questions out loud. Watch short videos or listen to podcasts. Then pause and repeat what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation and intonation. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Celebrate your progress. When you learn a new word or say a sentence correctly, smile and feel proud. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. After me, please repeat it out loud. I am learning English every day. Great job. Now try this one. I can speak English with confidence. Wonderful. Remember, practice a little bit every day. Even 5 minutes can help you improve. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath and smile. Remember, you are doing something amazing. Find a song you like in English. Sing along to practice pronunciation and rhythm. It's fun and helps you remember new words. Try telling a short story about yourself. For example, my name is Anna. I live in Brazil. I like to read books. This builds your confidence and helps you connect ideas. If you can, join a local English club or class. Practicing with others can be fun and motivating. Remember, every time you speak, you are getting better. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey. You are doing an incredible job. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Now let's practice with a short story. Listen carefully. After I finish, please repeat the sentences out loud. Leo woke up early. The sun was shining through his window. He stretched his arms and smiled. Today is a good day, he thought. Now it's your turn. Repeat these sentences. Leo woke up early. The sun was shining through his window. He stretched his arms and smiled. Let's continue with scene 2. Leo went to the kitchen. He opened the refrigerator. Milk, eggs, a big red apple. He decided to make a healthy breakfast. Leo made some toast and poured a glass of milk. He sat down at the table and started to eat. Repeat after me. I am eating breakfast. I am drinking milk. After breakfast, Leo brushed his teeth. He looked in the mirror and smiled at himself. Repeat. I am brushing my teeth. I am smiling. Leo got dressed. He chose his favorite blue shirt and put on his shoes. Repeat. I am getting dressed. I am putting on my shoes. Leo went outside. The air felt fresh. He took a deep breath and smiled at the sunny sky. Repeat. I am outside. The air is fresh. I am smiling. Leo walked to the park. He saw green trees and heard birds singing. Repeat. I am walking in the park. I see trees. I hear birds. Leo met his friend Anna in the park. Good morning, Anna, said Leo. Good morning, Leo, said Anna. They both smiled. Repeat. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Leo. Leo and Anna walked together. They talked about their plans for the day. I'm going to read a book, said Leo. I'm going to visit my grandmother, said Anna. Repeat. I'm going to read a book. I'm going to visit my grandmother. Leo felt happy to see his friend. He waved goodbye to Anna and walked home. Repeat. I feel happy. Goodbye, Anna. At home, Leo read his favorite book. He laughed at a funny story. Repeat. I am reading a book. I am laughing. Leo felt surprised when he heard the doorbell. It was his friend Tom with a big smile. Repeat. I feel surprised. My friend is here. Tom said, let's go for a walk. Leo said, yes, let's go. They both laughed and left the house together. Repeat. Let's go for a walk. Yes, let's go. Leo and Tom walked to the cafe. They ordered tea and talked about their favorite movies. Repeat. I like tea. My favorite movie is... After the cafe, Leo walked home. He felt tired but happy. He thought, today was a good day. Repeat. I feel tired. Today was a good day. At night, Leo wrote in his journal. He wrote about his day and his feelings. Repeat. I am writing in my journal. I feel happy. Leo turned off the light and went to bed. He closed his eyes and said, good night. Repeat. Good night. Great job. You have practiced listening and speaking with Leo's story. Remember, you can repeat these sentences anytime to practice your English. Welcome back. Let's continue Leo's story. You are doing a fantastic job. Leo sat at his small table. He ate his breakfast slowly. He looked out the window at the green trees. He felt calm and happy. Now it is your turn. Repeat these sentences. Leo sat at his small table. He ate his breakfast slowly. After breakfast, Leo washed his plate. He put on his favorite blue jacket. He opened the door and said, "Hello, world." He was ready for a new adventure. Let's do it one last time. Repeat with energy and confidence. After breakfast, Leo washed his plate. He put on his favorite blue jacket. He opened the door and said, "Hello, world." He was ready for a new adventure. Leo walked down the street. He saw many people in cars. The city was busy and bright. He met his friend Maya at a small shop. "Hello, Maya," said Leo. "Hello, Leo," said Maya. They both smiled. Repeat. "Hello, Maya. Hello, Leo." Leo and Maya went inside the shop. They looked at the shelves. There were apples, bananas, and oranges. Leo picked up an apple. "This apple is red," he said. Maya picked up a banana. "This banana is yellow," she said. Repeat. "This apple is red. This banana is yellow." Leo saw a blue bag on the shelf. He said, "I like this blue bag." Maya said, "It is beautiful." Repeat. "I like this blue bag. It is beautiful." Leo and Maya paid for their fruits. The shopkeeper said, "Have a nice day." Leo and Maya said, "Thank you." Repeat. "Have a nice day." "Thank you." Leo and Maya walked to the park. They sat on a bench and talked about their day. Leo said, "I feel happy today." Maya said, "Me too." Repeat. "I feel happy today." "Me too." Leo looked around the park. He saw a dog, a tree, and a bench. He said, "I see a dog, I see a tree, I see a bench." Repeat. "I see a dog, I see a tree, I see a bench." Leo said goodbye to Maya. "See you soon," he said. Maya waved and smiled. Repeat. "See you soon." "Goodbye." Leo walked home. He thought about his day. He felt proud of his English practice. Repeat. "I feel proud. I practiced English today." At home, Leo wrote in his notebook. He wrote, "Today I spoke English with my friend. I learned new words." Repeat. "I spoke English today. I learned new words." Leo turned off the light and went to bed. He closed his eyes and said, "Good night." Repeat. "Good night." Look at what you have accomplished today. You have learned simple, effective ways to practice every day. It is about doing a little bit every day. Consistency is the secret. Remember the feeling of confidence. Carry it with you. What is your plan for tomorrow? Will you listen to a short podcast? Will you talk to yourself while you make dinner? Choose one small thing, like 5 minutes of shadowing. Your daily practice is the most powerful tool you have. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep moving forward. Well done. Practice these tips daily, and you will see big progress. Don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Speak English. Stories podcast for more practice. See you soon. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see how much you grow. Remember, setting a small goal each day can help you stay motivated. Write down what you want to practice, even if it's just one new word or phrase. Joining an online English community or class can make learning more fun. You can practice with others, share ideas, and make new friends from around the world. Track your progress by keeping a journal. Write about what you learned, new words, Oregon, how you felt during practice. Celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. If you ever feel stuck, remember that every learner has challenges. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you keep going. Here is a success story. Maria practiced English for just 10 minutes every day. After a few months, she could talk to new friends and even help others learn. You can do this too. Believe in yourself. And remember that every step forward is a win. Share your progress with family or friends. They will be proud of you. Remember to practice in different places. At home, outdoors, Oregon, even while traveling. English is all around you. If you enjoy music or stories, listen to English songs or podcasts. Sing along or tell the story to someone else. This makes learning fun and memorable. I am so proud of you for taking this step. Remember, you are not alone. There are millions of learners just like you all around the world. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave a comment about your progress. Your story can inspire others. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining. I am cheering for you every step of the way.